Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sriraj Melath back with another video. In this video we're gonna check out how to uninstall or remove software from our Windows 11 laptop or PC. And let's get started. Here you can see a software or app called ShareX. I no longer need this application in my laptop. So I am demonstrating how we can uninstall a software in Windows 11 by removing this application as an example. Firstly, click on Start button and search for Uninstall. Then you can see Add or Remove Programs, which comes under the Settings menu. We have to go to the Add or Remove section in the settings for the uninstallation process. So if you are not able to find this option, then you can search like Remove Program. We will get the Add or Remove Program option. Click on it. Now it will take us to the app section, which is inside the Windows settings menu. Here we can see all the applications or softwares installed in our computer. From the list, find the software which we want to remove or uninstall. Since I want to remove a software called ShareX, I can scroll and find from the list, or easily I can search the name and find. Now I have found the ShareX software from my list. In the right side, click on three dots icon and now we can find the uninstall button. We can click on this button and perform the uninstallation process. Otherwise, if we are not able to find by searching, then I can scroll through the list and find. Okay, here is ShareX. I am clicking on three dots icon in the right side. Now clicking on uninstall. Windows is showing a confirmation box. The app and its related information will be uninstalled. Click the uninstall to confirm. And now the application will start its uninstallation process. And here onwards the process may be different for different kind of softwares. So you can read and follow the instructions to continue the process. So the upcoming steps may be different for you in your case. You can just simply follow the instruction and complete the process. Here in my case, I am uninstalling a software named ShareX, and now ShareX is showing a dialog box asking for confirmation. I am confirming the uninstallation by clicking yes. It may take some time. Bingo! I have successfully completed the uninstallation process. Now the alert box is saying like ShareX was successfully removed from your computer, and I am done. We can confirm the uninstallation by again searching for ShareX. Yeah, there is no ShareX anymore. And we can see the desktop icon is also missing. It's also removed. So we have successfully confirmed our uninstallation process. So that's all guys in this tutorial of uninstalling a software in Windows 11 PC. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do like, share and subscribe. This is Sriraj Melath signing off.